Hello adventurers! We are heading to check out a new, at least new to us, restaurant here in Tulsa off of Cherry Street. Where are we going, Danny?
LoFi Pizza.
All right, let's go eating and adventuring. For those that don't know, Cherry Street is also the same as 15th Street, so I didn't want to have anybody confused about where this was at. It is also going to be at the corner of Peoria, like the city in Illinois.
Look.
Did you know that?
I mean, I probably did at one point, but I don't know. Here we go to LoFi.
In case you were wondering, lo-fi is actually a subgenre of electronic music that is characterized by its relaxed, imperfect sound quality. It's often used for studying, relaxing, or as background music.
So both of us got mocktails, which is no alcohol, but still kind of fancy. I got the Bless Up. Pretty.
What's in it?
Gin alternative, honey and ginger syrup, lime and sorrel. I don't know what that is. That's a new term for me, so if I said it wrong, don't get mad. S-O-R-R-E-L.
I went with the Lazy River, which was lime cordial, coconut cream, pineapple, orange, and lime. Oh, this is delicious.
It's like you have a cinnamon stick in yours. I'm gonna try mine.
Heck yeah, I did. This is really good. I might get not drunk off of these.
This is like Christmas. Here's the charcuterie board. Fancy schmancy.
LoFi actually cures all of the meat in-house that is used on their charcuterie board. There was no way we could be there without trying that and one of their wood-fired pizzas. Roni, Roni, Roni.
Back to the heat. That was delicious.
Well, we just finished our first meal at LoFi. I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
It was very good. We got a charcuterie board, a pepperoni pizza, and a couple mocktails. Oh man, all of it was good.
Oh,
All of it.
I'm ready for a nap.
So, if you are looking for a nice little spot to grab some food, stop by LoFi Pizza. We'll see you on our next adventure.